cheers to 1 year of new experiences, new destinations, and new friends. Thank you for coming along for this journey with us. Hi, we're Dani and Kev, and on August 1st of 2021, we took a leap of faith. We traded in our Disney name tags for a year of international travel. Our first stop was Madrid, Spain.
Viva España!
This city will always hold a special place in our hearts because it's where it all began. It was here that we started getting accustomed to our new life on the road, living out of carry-on bags, adjusting to new countries and cultures every few weeks.
There's your little Spanish lesson for the day.
That's awkward. And documenting it all for our friends and family to enjoy back at home. We had a blast in Madrid, and we ate way too much tapas. But it's time to add a new country to our list. Well, Madrid, that's a wrap.
Hola, sí, señor, ¿cómo está?
Muy bien. Vamos al aeropuerto, ¿verdad?
Sí, señor.
Bueno. Vamos, entonces, habéis puesto a Adolfo Suárez al aeropuerto,
Sí,
no hay
sí.
ningún problema.
Todo bueno. We've had an absolute blast here in Madrid. I can't believe it's already been 5 days, but I know what definitely feels like 5 days is the 40 miles that we've done walking.
My feet could use a massage.
Definitely stretch before you come here because it's a very walkable city.
I think we walked everywhere. We didn't take any trains or buses. We did take an Uber from the airport, but other than that, we walked all throughout the city.
That I don't feel so bad about because that's like a 25-minute Uber. So yeah, I'm not trying to walk all over Europe. I am kind of upset we didn't get a chance to do the Prado Museum, but we had to leave some stones unturned.
And I'm a little upset we didn't get to go to the Prado Museum.
Maybe that exists somewhere else, maybe in Milan.
This city is full of amazing food, incredible people. Everyone here that we have run into has been extremely nice, very friendly, very chill, not over the top, but certainly not boring. They are just, what you see is what you get here.
And if you're curious, it's a very bilingual city. I got a chance to flex a little of my Spanish, a little bit that I have, but everyone else was very accommodating. English is the second language. So you ready to go to Malta?
Let's get it. Sí, gracias.
We have enough stuff there? I feel like we fly them a few more times. We should have access to that.
Let's see if we have any lounge access here.
It's my lucky day. Apparently we do have access. Thank you, Chase Sapphire. Gracias, señor. Don't mind if I do.
And the potatoes. Oh, that's it. Thank you so much. There is a really cool app that we use to find if we have access to a lounge in an airport, and it is called Lounge Buddy. Let me show you how it works. So you download Lounge Buddy, then you go to Accounts, add any of your credit cards or lounge access that you have here. There's a ton to choose from. Go to Explore, type in the airport that you're going to, and it tells you, because I have the Chase Sapphire Reserve, I have access to all of these lounges. I also have Priority Pass. If I wanted to go to this lounge, I could go. I would just have to pay $27 or 27 euro in this case. I do not have access to this lounge. And then there are 9 more locations.
I'm like a kid in a candy shop when it comes to airport lounges. They're usually super clean. They've got some comfort to them, not the usual just sitting at the gate and waiting. And they get some spectacular food. This one is probably one of the nicer ones that I've been to. So the rest of the world needs to up their game. Iberia's lounge here in Madrid, it's on point. This is one of those times where I want to recommend something for you to have, but you're never going to have it because it's on the other side of the world in an airport lounge, and it'll probably be gone by the time you get here. Anywho, thin layer of some kind of raspberry puree gelatin with the cream. You have to wait for it, the cream. C'est magnifique.
We have 10 minutes before our flight boards. Let's hope that we get on with no problems with our bags. If we are gonna have a long connection in any airport,
This is the one for sure. I mean, I would even, if they had a hotel here, it's probably do. I would check in for a night, hang out, great food, a lot of things to do.
and if you like McDonald's, it looks like just one big golden arch. This is something I'm going to continue to do even after COVID is gone.
Nothing like an empty row or rows to yourself. In case you don't know, Malta is a very, very small island south of Sicily to the center of the Mediterranean Sea.
And it's stunning! Oh my goodness!
Quick, like 2 hour and 15-minute flight from Madrid to Malta. Coming in, the views were absolutely beautiful.
It looks so pretty here. I'm so excited. I couldn't believe the views from the window of the plane. COVID check at the Malta airport was very similar to Madrid. They just asked to see our vaccine card. We filled out a form just saying that we haven't had any symptoms, we haven't had the virus, and we haven't been around anyone with the virus. Simple, easy, took about 5 minutes.
We just arrived in Malta, and like every airport, we pull up our phones, bring out Uber or Lyft, but guess what? It doesn't exist here.
Yeah, the bus is only €2 and it takes you right outside of our hotel, which is perfect. And it takes you to a bus stop in the city of Salima. Like.
We'll figure it out eventually. We have 3 days to do that.
We'll put the name right here.
The Mr. Todd Hotel.
We're gross. We just hiked up that big hill. Ooh, I'm nice and sweaty. Before we hop in the shower and turn in for the night, let me give you a little tour of our room here in Malta. So we have a double. Kev's feet will definitely hang off of the bed. Sorry, Kev. A little TV, a little sitting area. Oh, the bathroom's nice. I like it. Very cute. It reminds me of the cruise ships. This tiny little shower. Just the basics.
That's all we need.
Well, it's been a nice little short travel day here. That's one thing I love about traveling through Europe. You can get from one country to another in 2.5 hours, but it is pretty late here, so we are going to head to bed now because we have an early morning. Tomorrow we are going to explore one of Malta's bucket list destinations. We've seen a lot of pictures and videos about this place, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So, good night. Filming a movie here. Hey, did you like the video? We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did making it for you. And thank you so much to our friends and family who have subscribed to our channel and liked all of our videos. We really appreciate your support. We love you.